Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we have a haul from Sephora. So Sephora just had their VIB sale and I picked up some items from this sale. So I think once this video gets uploaded, the sale will be over. The sale started from the 1st of April to the 11th for different tiers of the VIB program thingy. Anyway, without rambling, let's get into the video because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay. Oh, there's a video on this look. So if you want to see the look, I will post it after this video. I got this GloWish by Huda. This is the skin tint. And I got this in deep tan, number 10. And this is what it looks like. If you guys want me to film a video with this, I'll definitely film a video with this. I definitely got this because I wanted to, use it for the summertime. It's not going to be too heavy on my skin. Just something that would just, give me that, but not going to be too much. So I wanted to get that and try it. And I had, there was a friend of mine on Instagram and she was raving about it. She was like, you need to get it. It's so good. So I was like, okay, girl. I put it in my cart. Next, I got this Chris Collins discovery set of his perfume. I got this because I wanted to try it out and see what I like, and then if I like the perfume here, then I'll get it. This is a black owned perfumer, so I wanted to get it, okay, and support my people. So I got this Patrick Ta Major Dimension 2. I have the Major Dimension 1 and I love that palette. It's such an everyday palette. And then I decided to get this one because it's a rose gold palette. First of all, I'm obsessed with rose gold. I love rose gold. It's just something that I gravitate to. So let me show you guys what the palette looks like. The packaging is A1. Like, it's such a stunning packaging. The only thing is it's going to get dirty with fingerprints, but it's so sleek and I'm sure it's easy to clean. So, yeah. And then let me show you what it looks like inside. It looks like it has the creams here with the case to cover it right here. And next thing I got is this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish, Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. I got this in tan. I have the deep one, so I decided to get this in tan because I kind of like it for like under my eyes. And it just brightens my eyes as well as gives me like that Airbrush Flawless look. It's such an amazing powder. I'm obsessed. I got the mini size of it. This is what I use. I got the mini size of it and I was like, you know what? Since the sale is here, let me get the big size of it because I know I definitely like this powder. And the packaging is all pretty packaging. And then this is what it looks like inside. So it definitely looks light, but obviously I kind of like that bright under eye. Next thing I got was the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. This is the new one that just came out and this is in 15 neutral. I wanted to try it out, so I decided to pick this up during the sale. And this is what it looks like. Hopefully it's my shade. I don't have a Sephora near me here, so it's a little bit hard to shade match, but if it doesn't work out I can always return it. So, and then I decided to get the new colorfix foils from Danessa Myricks. I love Danessa Myricks product. Like, I'm a huge fan of Danessa Myricks, so I decided to get the new ones, and this is in jewelz and nightcap. It's like a pretty duochrome shade. I decided to get samples of the KILIAN brand. I've heard a lot of people rave about this brand, like the perfume, on YouTube. So I was like, let me try it before I spend the coin because it's kind of expensive, okay? It is quite expensive. So I was like, I'll get the travel size to see, if I like it. And honestly, I love it. I already sprayed it and I love it. So I got Angel Share. This is like a boozy, brandy, like perfume. It has cinnamon in it, and I hate cinnamon, but the cinnamon in this was really done well. So I like how this really like smells. It actually lasted longer than the KILIAN Love Don't Be Shy. This is the one they say Rihanna wears, so we want to smell like Rihanna. This one has it's like a gourmand perfume. It has like marshmallow in it, and it smells really good too. So I got both. Let me probably show you how it looks like. I'll just open one, but I got the travel size. It's quite small. It is, this was, I think regular price is 45 bucks, so with this sale I kind of got a discount. Ooh, okay. And so, like I said, being on the Danessa Myricks like thing, I decided to get the new what is this? The new serum foundation, the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation. I got this in 20W. And let me just open it to see if the shade might work actually. This is how it looks like. It's pretty cool. I like the packaging. So it's kind of like that bronzy, you know, packaging, which is kind of nice. And then I got the Yummy Skin Glow Serum. So the reason why I got this one, and I think the shade I got was Juicy Boost. I think she has like 2 shades. I got this one because I feel like it will be more good on a dark skin. But you know, this summer it's all about glowing. We need to glow from afar. Like let them see us and be like, she's a rich bitch. She's living healthy. So I decided to get this because I'm all about the glow. Like I want to just look healthy and look and glow. So yeah guys, that's pretty much my haul for the VIP sale. I didn't want this video to be too long, so I just wanted to quickly show you guys. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I bought, please let me know in the comment section below so I can film a video just to let you guys know if it's worth it, if I'm going to be returning it, all that stuff. I definitely do plan to anyway, but just let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what you picked up during the sale. Did you shop the sale or you just skipped? I almost skipped the sale because I wasn't really interested in anything, but I was like, you know what, let me use this opportunity to pick out like, you know, like the Danessa Myricks products because they were new, the Charlotte Tilbury products and the Patrick Ta. Actually, funny enough, the Patrick Ta palette dropped on that day, so I was like, okay, let me pick it up, you know, to just kind of see. So I was more interested in new stuff rather than re-ups. I feel like I don't really need re-ups, you already know. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.